The contemporary world often feels like a relentless current, pulling us forward at an ever-increasing pace. We navigate a landscape defined by constant digital connection and an endless stream of information. This environment, while offering many conveniences, also presents unique challenges to our inner peace. Many of us find ourselves constantly bombarded by notifications, deadlines, and the demands of a 24/7 culture. These modern pressures frequently lead to feelings of being utterly overwhelmed and profoundly exhausted. It's easy to feel disconnected from ourselves and the quiet moments that truly nourish our spirit. In this whirlwind, a gentle yet powerful practice emerges as a beacon of calm, Reiki. Originating from Japan, Reiki is a beautiful energy healing technique designed to support your natural ability to heal and find balance. It offers a profound and accessible approach to navigating the complexities of modern life with greater ease. Reiki's primary goal is to help you cultivate a deep sense of inner peace and foster overall well-being. It works by gently encouraging the flow of life force energy within you, helping to release blockages and restore harmony. This practice is not about adding more to your already busy schedule, but rather about integrating simple moments of profound self-care. One of the most prevalent struggles in our modern world is digital overload. We spend countless hours staring at screens, whether for work, communication, or entertainment. This constant exposure often results in uncomfortable eye strain, leaving our eyes feeling tired and irritated. Beyond the physical discomfort, digital exposure also leads to significant mental fatigue. Our minds become cluttered with information, making it difficult to focus and process thoughts clearly. Many of us experience a persistent sense of being wired, even when we try to relax, making it hard to truly switch off. Reiki offers a practical and immediate solution to these digital challenges. By applying simple Reiki techniques before or during your screen time, you can proactively mitigate its draining effects. This intentional pause can make a significant difference in your daily experience. The benefits of this practice are quickly noticeable. Reiki helps to reduce the tension that contributes to eye strain, bringing a soothing relief to tired eyes. It also works to alleviate mental fatigue, clearing the mental fog that often accompanies prolonged digital engagement. The techniques are wonderfully straightforward. You can simply place your hands gently over your eyes or temples, allowing the calming energy to flow. As we do this, visualize a gentle healing light or warmth permeating these areas, washing away any discomfort. This simple application creates an immediate sense of calm and clarity. It helps to reset your nervous system, allowing you to feel more grounded and present. The outcome is a greater capacity for focus and enhanced resilience during your digital tasks, transforming a potentially draining experience into one of mindful engagement. For many, the daily commute, whether by car or public transport, is a significant source of stress. The journey to and from work can feel like a battle against external forces beyond our control. Frustration easily arises from traffic jams, crowded trains, and unpredictable delays that disrupt our carefully planned schedules. These situations can quickly trigger feelings of anxiety and impatience, leaving us feeling agitated before our day even begins or long after it should have ended. The constant noise and confined spaces can exacerbate these feelings, making the commute a truly draining experience. Reiki offers simple yet powerful techniques to maintain your inner peace, even amidst the chaos of your commute. It provides a personal sanctuary you can access anywhere, transforming moments of stress into opportunities for self-care. You don't need special equipment or a quiet room, just your intention. One effective technique is to practice self-Reiki by gently placing your hands on your chest or abdomen. This simple gesture creates a comforting connection to your own energy. As you hold your hands in place, focus on your breath, allowing each inhale and exhale to deepen your sense of calm. Visualize the flow of energy moving through your hands and into your body, spreading warmth and tranquility. Imagine this energy dissolving any tension or irritation you might be feeling. This visualization enhances the effect, making the practice even more potent. The benefits of this practice are profound. It helps to ground you, bringing your awareness back to your body and away from external stressors. It effectively reduces feelings of overwhelm, allowing you to feel more centered and in control. This simple act cultivates a sense of calm that can permeate even the most chaotic environments. Even a few minutes of this practice can significantly improve your overall well-being, transforming a stressful commute into a moment of mindful self-connection. You arrive at your destination feeling more composed and ready to face whatever comes next. In our modern lives, the relentless demands of the day often disrupt our natural sleep patterns. It's common to find ourselves lying awake with racing thoughts and anxieties, making it incredibly difficult to quiet the mind. The lingering effects of the day, from work stress to personal worries, contribute significantly to sleep difficulties. This inability to fully switch off can lead to restless nights and exhausted mornings, creating a cycle that impacts every aspect of our lives. We yearn for restorative sleep, but often struggle to achieve it. Reiki provides a quick and effective pre-bed routine that can gently guide you into a state of deep relaxation. This simple routine promotes profound relaxation, signaling to your body and mind that it's time to rest. It significantly improves sleep quality, helping you fall asleep faster and enjoy a more restorative night. Imagine waking up feeling truly refreshed and energized. The techniques are wonderfully soothing. Practice self-Reiki by gently placing your hands on your head, your heart, or your abdomen. Choose the area that feels most comforting to you in that moment. As you do this, focus on consciously releasing tension from every part of your body and mind. Invite a sense of peace to settle in, imagining it washing over you like a gentle wave. Allow yourself to surrender to this feeling of calm and comfort. This gentle practice helps to quiet the incessant chatter of the mind, allowing your thoughts to slow and soften. It soothes the nervous system, shifting your body from a state of alertness to one of deep rest. This prepares your body for truly restful and restorative sleep, ensuring you wake up feeling renewed and ready for the day ahead. Reiki offers a practical and accessible toolkit for navigating the unique challenges of modern life. It doesn't ask you to change your entire routine, but rather to integrate small, powerful moments of self-care. These simple techniques empower you to reclaim your peace amidst the daily hustle. Incorporating these practices into your daily routines is key to unlocking their full potential. Whether it's a few minutes before screen time, during your commute, or as part of your bedtime ritual, consistency builds resilience. This leads to cultivating a profound sense of inner peace, significantly reducing stress and enhancing your overall well-being. Ultimately, Reiki empowers you to thrive amidst the demands of the modern world rather than simply survive them. It reminds you that you have the innate capacity to find calm, clarity, and strength within yourself, no matter what external pressures you face. Embrace this gentle path to a more balanced and peaceful life,